Effective social inclusion is a major priority for the government in the 2013-2014 financial year. Part of that involves broadening opportunities for persons to own homes while providing legal proof of ownership to those who have already attained a piece of this rock.
It is a drive this administration, led by Prime Minister Simpson, has been keen on not just maintaining, but bolstering and increasing.
And as Jamaica closed off its Jubilee celebrations and welcomed its 51st year of independence, the government wrote off mortgages for 50 Jamaicans while providing them with land titles. As it tries its best to make the dream of full home ownership a reality for all, the government is doing everything in its powers to assist the average man.
The ability to own your house should be the right of every Jamaican.
So the Housing Ministry's Jubilee 50 for 50 initiative is a symbolic gesture to Jamaicans who have made sacrifices to get a roof over their head. 50 homeowners are now mortgage-free after receiving the titles to their properties at a special ceremony in August 2013. And the criteria?
The primary account holder be 50 years or older. The balance on the account should be less than 50,000 and that the account should not be inactive for more than 50 weeks. And that the registered certificate of title for the property is available.
It's the government's way of assisting persons while giving them the opportunity to access benefits like loans. But the mortgage write-off should not be viewed as an opportunity to squander hard-earned cash.
I want to challenge you to do something. The money you will no longer be required to pay as mortgage this month, next month, and all the other months that would have become due without this initiative, I and this government want you to put it to good use. We are investing in you, and we urge you to invest it in yourselves. Invest it in your families, invest it in your home, and invest it in your community. An investment in any one of those areas is an investment in this country.
This latest tightening initiative forms part of the Housing Ministry's mandate to provide 7,000 land titles to Jamaicans for this financial year. So what has been the reaction from the recipients?
Excellent, excellent. So wonderful. I've struggled so long for having this title in my hand.
This will empower us economically in that we can now access loan either for ourselves to start small businesses or educational loan for our children. It will help to improve our self-worth, self-esteem, and all of that, to have something in hand to say that we actually own a piece of property in Jamaica.
I don't have to pay anything. I feel so good. I thank the Lord, and I thank all those who are here. And may God bless them.
I waited so long for this cycle, and now that I get it, I'm so delighted. My immediate plan is to set the future for my youths. That's one of my intentions right now.
I was a woman, but I feel a bigger woman now. To own my own title, my own piece of earth that I can use it to help school my grandchildren and my last son who's going to college.
We have to do the best for our community, like helping the elderly and children who don't have it. So that is a good plan. Now I have a piece of the rock, and I'm very glad.
The government putting strategic priority 5 into action: effective social inclusion, giving legal tenure to homeowners through the Jubilee 50 for 50 housing initiative.